you have to get it from aborted fetuses. Okay? There's some what now? So if a baby's aborted, like through abortion, they would take those stem cells if it was early on enough. So there's some moral issues to it. So people can't do research with embryonic stem cells anymore. So there might have been a chance that if he was able to continue to do this research, he would have gained more mobility back, but we won't know. All right. Now we do have adult stem cells. Like I said, we have them in us right now. However, they are very different from embryonic stem cells. Like I said, embryonic stem cells haven't become anything, so they have the potential to be whatever they want to be. However, adult stem cells, a little bit different. Okay, so Storm, she's got adult stem cells. She's got them in her muscles right now. Can you flex for me? Just trying to get you to participate, Storm. So, she's got stem cells in her muscles. But those stem cells will not become anything other than muscle cells if they convert to do something. Okay? Our stem cells that are inside of us, they're not specialized. They're not there to do anything but grow and replicate. But they decide to specialize, they're going to become whatever they're in. So if it's in our stomach, it's in our muscles, our skin, they will only become those cells. Does that make sense? So adult stem cells, they don't have the potential to be whatever they want to be, whereas embryonic ones do. Now, we can do adult stem cell research, and the reason why is because we can give consent. All right, so Cass over here, she wants to do research on adult stem cells, and she asked me for some of mine to do research on. I can give her consent. It's like, yes, you can do that. All right. So there's a difference because a fetus can't give that consent, correct? No. So that's where the moral issue comes. All right.
Well, if it's a moral issue, why do you allow abortions? Does it go hand in hand?
Because you're taking advantage of a dead human. There's lots of controversies that go into it. One that we can't have that discussion right now. You can ask that question. Okay.
What point in the fetus development is embryonic stem cell become adult stem cell?
So after they grow up to that certain amount, so around 150, then they start to specialize, and at that point, that's where they lose their potential to become whatever they want to become. Because once you start developing the bones, the muscles, all the organs, those stem cells will cease to be able to do whatever they want to do. Because once they're in those organs, they're going to become part of that organ. Does that make sense? Okay. Are there any questions, guys?
Can you go back to the